Okay people, let's have a full top-down analysis from weekly to minute charts. I teach you the king of strategies, the best momentum scalping strategy. And I do not teach you new things. I teach the same strategy over and over. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's talk about B and X. This was the crazy coin of the day. I'm sure that many of you traded this. It was just the A++ masterclass setup. Everything was clear and great. Okay, let's start with the weekly charts. What exactly did I see when I was looking at this weekly chart? First of all, we are still in this mega July rally. Shorting any coin nowadays is just a crazy idea. I look only for long trades. I noticed that this price is heading towards the previous weekly high area. That was my main target. And this mega weekly momentum imbalance proves to me that buyers are in control of this coin. Sellers are really weak. When I look at the daily chart, I noticed that price was powered with this daily imbalance here. This daily imbalance is not failing, instead holding the price. What does this mean? It means buyers are protecting their positions, sellers are still very weak. I hope this daily and weekly bias view is very clear for you. Let's take a quick look at the momentum layout. How did I find this coin? How did I guess the movement before it was hunting the previous week high? First of all, notice the 1 hour and 2 hour charts here, and how the price used the imbalances to power up here. In 30 minutes, I noticed a very clear price switch, and in the 4 hour time frame, the momentum imbalance. Let me repeat. Clear price switch on 30 minutes, 1 and 2 hour imbalance power, 4 hour momentum imbalance. Remember, I noticed all of this before the price hit the previous week high. This is how you catch trades in early stages, by reading these little clues. Now, let me open the 5-minute chart beside the momentum layout. Do you see this yellow circle? This is where all the action happens. Now I will closely observe this 5-minute area. Again, I can only see all this price action with our revolutionary tree layout system from the masterclass, which allows me to read 10 different time frames with a single quick look. Let's take a close look at this 5-minute time frame before the final hunt of the previous weekly high. First of all, the price was also using this inner 5-minute imbalance and order block to power up. Notice the structure boxes started to appear and buyers gained power towards the previous week high. Buyers gaining absolute power here with a certain direction. However, I have used the 15-minute time frame to trade this coin. In the 15 minutes, I did not even need to go lower and confuse myself. I saw the clear price switch here, and the new buyer imbalance was holding the price. This is how I joined the rally here. Basically, the rally strategy. This was a total of 5% move to catch. I managed to secure the trade with 2-3% move. Remember, markets are cruel. Always secure your profits. There's no certainty in the markets. Protecting your account is much more important than making money. Never forget this. Okay, what did we do here? From the weekly chart, we understood that price was hitting the previous week high. In the daily chart, we have noticed that price using the daily imbalance to power up for a final push towards the weekly high. With the 1 and 2 hour time frames, we confirmed the imbalance tap and fill. With the 15 and 5 minute charts, we had our final price switch confirmations. Here you go, a full top-down analysis for you with every single detail. There's no one else in the YouTube break down trades like me. Same exact setups every single day. I teach you one single strategy, and it is highly proven every single day, as you can see. Okay friends, this is it for the day. See you next time, and please take care of yourself.